Hi Junior 6, how are you? Our lesson today called Ratio Applications. It's called Rates. The rate is a ratio between two quantities of the different units. The rate is a special case from the ratio because it's between two quantities from the different unit. The ratio between two quantities is comparing between two quantities from the same unit, right, Junior 6? And the rate is a special case from the ratio because it's a ratio between two quantities from the different unit. To find out what the rate means, let us watch the car speedometer and read it. When we see the speed indicator at 80, when we see the speed indicator at 80, that means what? That means the speed of the car is 80. Also, what's the meaning of the speed? The speed means when in each 1 hour this car covered 80 kilometers. That means in each 1 hour this car covered 80 kilometers. This is the rate, Junior 6. And now I have two units and two quantities, kilometer and hour, distance and time. This is the rate. I have two quantities. I have two units. This is the rate. Now I have important remarks. Number 1, ratio has no unit, but the rate has a unit, has a 2 units. Unit of the rate equal unit of the first quantity over unit of the second quantity. Exercise number 1, Junior 6. Ali spends 35 LE within 5 days. Ali spends 35 LE within 5 days. Calculate the rate of what Ali spends per day. The rate equal 35 LE over 5 days. He spends 35 in 5 days. So 35 over 5 equals 7 LE per day. That means he spent 7 LE in a day. Exercise number 2. A car covers 240 kilometers in 3 hours. Find the rate of the car. And maybe we can find the speed of the car. The rate of the car or the speed of the car. The rate equal 240 kilometers over 3 hours. When I have time in the question rate, the time always in the denominator. I put always the time in the denominator down. So 240 over 3 equal 80 kilometers per hour. That means each 1 hour this car covered 80 kilometers. Exercise 3. An agriculture tractor plugs 8 fadens in 4 hours. Find the rate of performance of the tractor. If another tractor plugs 9 carrots in 10 minutes, which of the two tractors is better in performance? In this exercise, I have two tractors and I need to comparing between them. To comparing between two rates, I must get these rates by the same unit. So I read the question again. An agriculture tractor plugs 8 fadens in 4 hours. The first tractor works by faden in hour. And if another tractor plugs 9 kirat in 10 minutes, so the second tractor work by kirat in minute. So I have now two different units. So I must convert the big unit to be to converting to the small unit because I make two rates with the same unit. So I convert from faden to kirat. From faden to kirat, I'm multiplying it by 24. So 8 times 24 equal 192 kirats. And I converting from hours to minutes. 4 hours equal 4 times 60 because when I convert from hour to minute, I will multiplying by 60. So 4 times 60 equal 240 minutes. Now I ready to get the rate. The rate of the first tractor equal 192 kirats over 240 minutes equal 0.8 kirat per minute. And the rate of the second tractor equal 9 over 10 equal 0.9 kirat per minute. Now I can comparing between these two rates. Right, Junior 6? Yes. The second tractor is better than the first because this tractor plugs greater than kirats in the same time. I have finished Junior 6. I hope you understood the lesson. Do the homework and follow me. Good luck and goodbye.